Hey, future scholars! Welcome to my channel, and today we're cracking the code to craft a motivation letter that will set you apart in the competitive world of scholarships. Buckle up. We're about to turn your aspirations into a compelling narrative. Paragraph 1. Personal introduction. Let's kick things off with a brief introduction. Your name currently pursuing your degree at your university. My journey into your field of study was sparked by share a brief personal story or experience. Now, let's channel that enthusiasm into your motivation letter. Paragraph 2. Academic achievements and goals. As you embark on this letter, highlight your academic achievements and any relevant extracurricular activities. Show the scholarship committee your dedication. Clearly outline your short-term and long-term goals, ensuring they align seamlessly with the scholarship's focus. Paragraph 3. Passion for chosen field. Express your genuine passion for your chosen field of study. Share a personal anecdote or experience that fueled your commitment. Let your enthusiasm leap off the page, making it evident that you're not just seeking a scholarship, but a chance to contribute meaningfully to your field. Paragraph 4. Relevant skills and qualities. Move on to your skills and qualities, whether it's leadership, problem solving, or creativity. Pinpoint the strengths that make you a deserving candidate. Offer tangible examples of how these attributes have positively influenced your academic or personal life. Paragraph 5. Connection to the scholarship. Now, let's delve into the scholarship itself. Why are you applying for this particular opportunity? Demonstrate your understanding of the scholarship's values and goals. Showcase how it perfectly aligns with your aspirations and how you, in turn, can contribute to its mission. Conclusion. As we wrap up, remember to summarize the key points discussed in your letter. Express gratitude for the opportunity and convey your confidence in your ability to contribute significantly to your field of study. I hope this guide helps you in crafting a motivation letter that truly reflects your unique qualities. Tailor it to your experiences, proofread diligently, and seek feedback before submission. Best of luck in your scholarship journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.